Students, in the previous session completed practice set 34. In that we have studied subtraction of algebraic expressions, and before that we have completed addition of algebraic expressions. Now today we will start with multiplication of algebraic expressions. First I will explain you with the few examples, then we will start with practice set 35. So this is multiplication of algebraic expressions. As you can see here, the examples are given. Multiplying a monomial by a monomial. This is the first example. We will multiply the monomial by a monomial, right? So as you know the meaning of monomial expression means which expression? Yes, monomial expression means an algebraic expression which is having only one term, that is called as monomial. So here we will see multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Now we will see the multiplication of monomial by a monomial. As you can see here, this is the first example, 3x multiplied by 12y, correct? Now how we will do multiplication? As you can see here, there is one rule to multiply monomial by a monomial. See here down. When multiplying two monomials, first multiply the coefficient along with the signs and then multiply the variable. So this is the rule. While multiplying two monomials, first coefficients. As you know, which are the coefficients? See here, in this example, 3x multiplied by 12y. Yes, which are the coefficients? 3 is the coefficient and here 12 is the coefficient, right? So while multiplying two monomials, first multiply the coefficients along with the signs. You will multiply the coefficient first with their signs and then you will multiply the variables. Variables are x and here it is y. Yes, in algebraic expression the numbers are called as coefficients or constants, and the letters which we are using to write algebraic expression, that letters are called as variables. Okay, so in this example 3x multiplied by 12y, what we will do first? We will multiply, yes, we will multiply the coefficient. Now which are the coefficients here? 3 and here it is 12. So see here in this step, first we will multiply the coefficient 3 multiplied by 12. Now we will multiply the variables. Which are the variables? Here it is x and here it is y. So x multiplied by y. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Yes, we have started with multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Okay, how to multiply monomial expression by a monomial expression, right? So first we will multiply the coefficients with their signs and then we will multiply the variables. So here in this example, 3x multiplied by 12y, 3 is the coefficient, here 12 is the coefficient and the variables are x and y. So first we will multiply the coefficients, that is 3 multiplied by 12 and then variables x multiplied by y. Now we will do the multiplication. 3 multiplied by 12 or 12 multiplied by 3. What is the answer? 12 3s are right, 36. So here it is 36 and x multiplied by y, that is xy. So what is the answer? 36 xy is the answer for the first example. Okay, so this is the first example. Now we will see the second example. See the next example now. This is the second example. Minus 12x multiplied by 3y square. As you can see here, minus 12x multiplied by 3y square. Again we are multiplying a monomial by a monomial. So what we will do? Yes, first we will multiply, yes, what? Coefficients, and then we will multiply the variables. But whenever you are multiplying the coefficients, you will take coefficient along with the signs. Now in this second example, minus 12x multiplied by 3y square. So which are the variables and which are the coefficients? Yes, minus 12 is the coefficient and here 3 is the coefficient, right? Do not write only 12. While writing the coefficient, you will write the coefficient with their sign. So the sign for 12 is minus. So minus 12 multiplied by 3. Now we will multiply the variables. Which are the variables? See here, x is the variable and here y square. So we will multiply the variables. X multiplied by y into y. Okay, y square means what? Y multiplied by y. 2 times y we will write down. Okay, hope you are clear till here. Now we will do the multiplication. Minus 12 multiply by 3. 12 3s are 36, right? And here is minus sign, so minus 36. Minus 12 multiply by 3, the answer is minus 36. And x into y into y. So what is the answer? X into y, that is x and y square. Okay, y multiplied by y, that is y square, and multiply by x, so x y square. So the answer is minus 36 xy square. Okay, hope you are clear with this. This is multiplication sign and this is x. Okay, don't get confused between this. Okay, hope you are clear with this. These are the two examples where we are multiplying a monomial by a monomial. So what is the rule while multiplying a monomial by a monomial? When, see this, when multiplying two monomials, first multiply the coefficients along with the signs, then multiply the variables. Hope you are clear with coefficients and variables. Which are the coefficients? Coefficients are the numbers which we are writing in algebraic expressions, and variables are the letters which we are using for writing algebraic expressions. And monomial means what? Monomials means an algebraic expression which is having only one term, that is called as monomial. Okay, so here we are starting multiplication of algebraic expression. We have studied two examples based on multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Now we will see the next. Now the next is multiplying a binomial by a monomial. Now in the first we have seen multiplication of monomial by monomial. Now the next one is multiplying a binomial by a monomial. Now how to multiply a binomial expression by a monomial expression? Binomial means what? The algebraic expression which is having two terms, that is called as binomial. So we will multiply that binomial expression with monomial. Okay, so see the first example. As you can see here, this is the example. X in bracket x plus y. Here there is no sign, means what? X multiply by x plus y. Now in this example, which is the monomial expression and which is the binomial expression? Yes, this is the monomial algebraic expression. Yes, it is having only one term. And which is the binomial algebraic expression? That is x plus y, because it is having, yes, two terms. So this is binomial and this is monomial. Now we will see multiplication of binomial by a monomial. Okay, multiplying a binomial by a monomial, right? So x in bracket x plus y, x multiply by x plus y. Now how we will do multiplication? See here, the first step, x multiply by x, means you will multiply this x with this x first. Okay, the x which is outside, that we will multiply the x which is given inside the bracket. Then in between, see this plus sign, so in between we will write down plus sign. Now again x multiply by what is there inside the bracket, the next, that is y, so x multiply by y. Okay, so this is the first step. Now we will do the multiplication. X multiply by x, that is x square, and in between plus sign as it is, x multiply by y, that is xy. So this is the answer, x square plus xy. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Once again I will revise this. X multiply by x plus y, so this x we will multiply here inside first, that is x multiply by x is x square, and x multiply by y, and in between there is a plus sign, so here it is plus sign. So x multiply by y we will write down, x multiply by y is what? xy. So the answer is x square plus xy is the answer for first example. Now we will see the second example. 7x minus 6y multiply by 3z. This is binomial expression as it is having two terms, and this is monomial. So we will multiply this binomial by a monomial, right? So again the same, 7x multiply by 3z, right? As you can see here, and in between which sign is there? Minus sign, that we will write down here. Then 6y multiply by 3z. see here 6y multiply by 3z, right? First we have multiply this 7x by 3z, and then we will multiply 6y by 3z, right? And in between minus sign. So 7x multiply by 3z, in between minus sign, then 6y multiply by 3z, right? So 7 multiply by 3. Now here what we will do, 7x multiply by 3z. So first we will multiply the coefficient, that is 7 multiply by 3, and x and z are the variables that we will multiply separately. X multiply by z. In between minus sign we will write down as it is. Here also same, 6y multiply by 3z. First we will multiply the coefficients, that is 6 multiply by 3, and while writing the coefficient you will write that coefficient with the sign. So 6, what is the sign for 6? Minus. So minus 6 multiply by 3, and y and z are the variables that we will multiply separately. Now we will do the multiplication. 7 multiply by 3, 7 3s are 21, and x multiply by z, that is xz. In between minus sign, 6 3s are 18, and y multiply by z is yz. So the answer is 21 xz minus 18 yz is the answer. So this is multiplication of binomial by a monomial. So till now we have seen the multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Then we have started multiplication of binomial by a monomial, right? Now we will see the next sum. Multiplying a binomial by a binomial expression. Now the third which we will see, that is multiplication of binomial by a binomial expression. Now here both the algebraic expressions are binomial. Means what? Algebraic expression which is having two terms are called as binomial. So as you can see here in the example, see the example. In this example, 3x plus 4y, this is the first algebraic expression which is binomial, and the second algebraic expression is 5x plus 7y. This is the second algebraic expression, right? So we will do the multiplication of binomial by a binomial. Now how to do this, that I will explain. So first what we will do, see the first binomial expression, that is 3x plus 4y. Okay, so first we will write down 3x multiply by 3x by the second bracket. Okay, now what is the second binomial expression, that is 5x plus 7y, that we will write down. Okay, now plus 4y, see here this sign is plus, so plus 4y, again 4y you will multiply with the second binomial expression, that is 5x plus 7y. So you keep in mind that the second algebraic expression we will write down twice and multiply it with the first binomial expression, that is 3x. So here we will write down 3x plus 4y, so here we will write down plus 4y. Okay, once again I will repeat this, 3x plus 4y. So first we will write down 3x and write down the second algebraic expression 5x plus 7y. Now write down this plus 4y and multiply it with the second binomial expression, that is 5x plus 7y. Okay, now we will do the multiplication. 3x multiply by 5x and 3x plus in between plus sign, 3x multiply by 7y. Outside the bracket there is 3x. See here, outside the bracket there is 3x and inside the bracket 5x plus 7y. So you will multiply this 3x by 5x and multiply this 3x by 7y, in between plus sign. So 3x multiply by 5x plus 3x multiply by 7y. Now plus 4y. So plus 4y multiply by 5x and this is plus sign in between, and this plus 4y multiply by 7y. So plus 4y multiply by 7y. Now we will do the multiplication. 3x multiply by 5x. Now here you can do directly the multiplication as the variables are same, right? So we will not write down coefficient separately and variables separately, as these are like terms, 3x and 5x. So 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15, and x multiplied by x is what? X square, right? So what is the answer? 3x multiplied by 5x is what? 3 5s are 15, and x multiplied by x is x square, 15x square. Now this plus sign, 3x multiplied by 7y. So 3 multiplied by 7, you can write down this step separately also if you want. 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by x multiplied by y, or you can do directly multiplication. 3x multiplied by 7y, 3 7s are 21, and x multiplied by y, that is xy. So the answer is 21xy. Sign. Then next, 4y multiplied by 5x. 4y multiplied by 5x, 5, that is 20, and x multiplied by y is what? Or y multiplied by x is what? Xy. So next, plus again here plus, see the last, 4y multiplied by 7y. So 4 multiplied by 7, that is 28, and y multiplied by y is y square. Here we got 15x square plus 15x square plus 21xy plus 20xy plus 28y square. As you can see here, 15x square plus 21xy plus 20xy plus 28y square. Once again we will see 3x plus 4y, 5x plus 7y. So first we will write down 3x, multiply this 3x by the second algebraic expression, that is 5x plus 7y. Now write down the second term, that is plus 4y. Here it is plus 4y. Again you will multiply this plus 4y by second algebraic expression, that is 5x plus 7y, right? Now 3x multiply by 5x first, 3x multiply by 5x. In between plus sign, that we will write down here. Again 3x multiply by 7y. So 3x multiply by 7y. Okay, hope you are clear this. Now plus 4y. So here it is plus 4y. Plus 4y. See the inside bracket 5x. So plus 4y multiply by 5x. See here plus 4y multiply by 5x. In between plus sign. So here it is plus 4y multiply by 7y. So here it is 4y multiply by 7y, right? Now the next step is, as you can see here, 3 multiply by 5x, that is 15x square. 3 5s are 15, and x multiply by x is what? X square. So 15x square. Now plus 3x multiply by 7y, that is 7 3s are 21, and x multiply by y, that is xy. So plus 21xy. Now plus 4y multiply by 5x. So 4 5s are 20, and y multiply by x, that is yx, or while writing you will write down xy. So 20xy. And the last, that is 4y multiply by 7y. 4 multiply by 7, that is 28, and y multiply by y means y square. So 28y square. Now the next step is what? 15x square we are written as it is. Now see here, 21xy plus 20xy, these are the like terms. So we can add this 21xy plus 20xy. Do the addition. 20 plus 21, that is 41, and xy we will write down as it is, the variables. While addition of algebraic expressions, we will add only coefficients, and variables we are writing as it is, right? So 21 plus 20, that is 41, and xy we will write down as it is. Now the last term, that is plus 28y square, that we are written as it is, plus 28y square. So the answer is 15x square plus 41xy plus 28y square. Hope you are clear with this sum. So today we have seen the multiplication of monomial by a monomial, then multiplication of binomial by a monomial, and multiplication of binomial with binomial expression. So today we will stop till here. In the next session we will start with practice set 35. Thank you so much.